All right, little trees. Got a little project I'm thinking about doing right now. So these little trees, if you research online, you'll see that these are meant to be, it's got that little string. They're meant to be hung on your rear view mirror. I don't like anything hanging from my rear view mirror. Just don't like the looks of it. So I'm going to remedy that. Gonna try to. And another thing, anything that's got essential oils in it, the reason it even says on the packaging, don't let it touch anything. If these touch anything plastic with the heat, that oil gets on the vinyl of the dash, any of your plastics in your car, truck, SUV, that oil can damage that stuff. So what I'm going to do, I went to Dollar Tree of all places. I come up with a little plan, a little idea. What can I do? These smell really good. They're pretty potent. How you're supposed to do it is you're supposed to pull out just a little bit at a time, cut like a V at the top and pull them out just a little bit at a time because they are pretty potent. So what I come up with, went to Dollar Tree. I got me this little felt lined little desk bin. Okay, it's felt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a piece of Velcro as just a tag that was on it. But I'm going to put me a piece of Velcro right down the center and the carpeting right behind my center console. Just to keep it secure, I'm just going to stick it right there and take my little tree, put it in here, probably caddy corner, pull it out of the packaging just a little bit and just kind of have me a bin that's secure down. You can stick in there away from all my plastics and stuff. So got me some Velcro straps. I'm not going to use, all of it. Not going to use it for that purpose, and we don't need the fuzzy side. We need the plastic side so it'll stick to the carpet. So let me do some work here. And these, you pull it off. It is a sticky back, so you can just cut off however much you need and just stick it wherever. That's where the label was, price tag, barcodes. I'm just going to put it right down across that and stick it to my carpeting. And then I've got me a nice little felt bin to put my air fresheners in, and it'll stick down. It won't be flopping around. So, all right, let's move forward. Okay, got the old scissors out, cut me a piece to length, gonna pull it off and put the sticky backing right down the center, and that hopefully will work. We'll see. Good enough for me. That's the kind of scratchy side. That's gonna probably stick to the carpeting, keep it from flopping around, and it's felt lined. That's pretty close to my interior color. All right, put my little tree down in there. Nice little bin. Won't be anywhere near my plastics. We'll see what it looks like. All right, just gotta pull it out of the package a little bit. You could even cut off a little piece if you wanted to. These are pretty stout as far as strength. So open the package, pull it out, set it in there, go from there. All right, cut my little V out. I'm gonna tear that off and pull it to, I don't know, maybe that first set of leaves just underneath that. Okay. Yeah, that first set of leaves at the top, that's plenty strong enough. You pull the whole thing out, it's just overpowering. So that's plenty good enough. And like every week and a half or something, if it's not strong enough, I'll pull it out again some more. So you can even trim this up some more if you wanted to. But the goal is to take it, stick it down in there like that. and stick it down to the carpeting. Let me try that. Let me see what that looks like. See if it secures down pretty good. You could even, yeah, let me trim that down a little bit so I don't have all that excess. Well, I don't want to cut this excess off because then the scent will escape from this side, so I don't want that. I don't want all that excess, so let's not do that. Let's just kind of fold it up, stick it down in there maybe like that, something, it doesn't matter. Shove it down in there. Heck, I think I like that better. Just stick the bottom at an angle and just let the top kind of rest up. Okay, let's go try to stick it to the carpet and see what that looks like. All right, so there's the center console. You know, the center console, I mean, that's pretty much the middle of the vehicle, so this ought to make it smell really good, considering, you know, I'm putting it right pretty much in the middle of the vehicle. I mean, it is trying to talk too fast. It's the middle of the vehicle, so it should put out some good aroma. And like I say, I only have it pulled out just a little bit to that first set of leaves. And then every week, you know, if it's getting weaker, you know, pull it out some more. But again, the goal is keep this away from your plastics. Okay, let's check our little bin here, see if it sticks to the carpet good. Okay, got our little felt-lined container. Got it from Dollar Tree, put the, you know, scratchy side on it. It's stuck to the bottom of it. Let's see if this stuck to the carpet. Yep, sticks good. You can position that anywhere you want to. All right. And by having it leaning up like this, it's catching some of the card, the tree from the top and the bottom. You know, it's kind of open to the air. So that's plenty strong enough right there. So I'm going to position it where I want it. Okay, I'm happy with that, I guess. Nobody really sits back here anyway. So the middle of the vehicle, so it should fill the vehicle with the scent pretty good. Stick that thing back down in there and ought to be good. Okay, nothing wrong with that. I think that'll work, serve my purpose. Now, again, the goal with these anything that's got essential oil, doesn't matter where it's from, that oil can heat up. It can be drawn out of just when you hang like this. That oil can get on your vinyl, get on your plastic, melt it. It can melt it. It can ruin it. So that's why I'm kind of going with this idea. Got it secured to the carpet, so it's not gonna, I mean, it ain't gonna, I could even add more if I wanted to. Get it secured good, and it peeled off from the underside, so I'll put a piece of 3M on the back side of it. 3M strong double-sided tape, and then it really ain't gonna come off of this little felt line thing. All right, but that's the idea. Hope it helped somebody out there maybe. All right, little project for today. Thank you for joining me. Take it easy. Bye.